Everything begins at this base camp, where everything begins, develops, and soars to greater heights. The base camp of new growth engines for offshore plants in Korea. We are CRISO's Deep Ocean Engineering Research Center. The Deep Ocean Engineering Research Center owns the world's largest deep ocean engineering basin. We are the leader of technology development and innovation in ships and offshore plants. The Deep Ocean Engineering Basin, which can simulate the deep sea environment with a depth of up to 3,000 meters, supports the development of more reliable ships and offshore plants through realistic simulation of tides, waves, and winds that influence the performance of ships and plants. In addition, we have demonstrated our technical excellence in offshore plants by providing joint training with local schools, research institutes, and industries, offering technical support for industries, and establishing a global collaborative network. By constantly driving changes in the ocean industry and developing new revolutionary technologies, we are opening up new possibilities in the field of offshore plants. CRISO, Deep Ocean Engineering Research Center.